Hi folks, and welcome to my review of the Pazzo Racing adjustable levers on my 2018 Moto Guzzi V7III Stone. I've recently added these levers to my bike. I have about 500 miles on them, and I'm a really big fan. They are really cool levers, and I went for the short model, which I would probably more call the shorter model. So for all of you who are concerned about the short model being too short, they're actually pretty sizable. So from the adjuster all the way to the tip, they're about 5 inches, which makes them actually very comfortable for riding. And I found them to be very practical and meet exactly what I was looking for. And so what was that? Well, first of all, I want to be able to adjust my levers to actually get really quite close to the bar. I enjoy having the levers really close, give me a really sense of security that I can get to the levers extremely quickly. So I'm actually ride them on adjustment of number 1, but you can go all the way out to number 6, which gets you lots of distance if you actually prefer to have your levers further out. And you can really tell right here that there's quite a bit of distance differential between the settings. So I think that's great. The workmanship on the product is very good. Haven't had any issues with it, obviously not that many miles, but they feel very solid, very sturdy, very comfortable. Also, because I would call them shorter rather than short, at 5 inches length, it allows you some adjustment. So actually on the clutch side here, I enjoy having being able to use most of my hand. So if I put my hand right here, obviously in reverse here, but as you see, I can almost use the entire hand. In gloves, I probably use 3 fingers to have a really solid grip on the clutch side. So that's really cool. And on the brake side, and let me swing around over here and bring them in a little closer. On the brake side, I actually moved the assembly further inboard, so that on this side I use 2 fingers for braking, and I have 2 fingers on the grip. And so, playing a little bit with the distances of how this is mounted allows you the flexibility with this shorter version of the levers, and I think it works a treat. I've been really thrilled with them. Let me go ahead and hop on the bike here real quick so you guys can see what it looks like from the rider's perspective to have them. So let's look at the clutch. As I mentioned, I'm almost 4 fingers, really it's 3 fingers, but in my racing gloves that there's a pinky bridge there, so I'm here going full hand. And on the throttle side, so on the front brake side, I'm comfortably using 2 fingers with the 2 fingers staying on the bar and giving me very nice control over the throttle. So yeah, that's been my review of the Pazzo Racing short adjustable levers. Huge fan of the product. So far so great. In terms of the applications, one of my favorite additions to my bike. I hope this was useful to you all. If it was, I appreciate a thumbs up. If you like to see more content like this, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please ask below. I'll be more than glad to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.